As we discussed in the Asia session update, that gold and silver both are willing to retrace, and still 19-18-20 zone provided a good resistance so far for gold and silver 2240 levels. Now what to expect with the Asia US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. We share twice a day update daily basis for gold and silver, and you can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. To watch till the end. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see, after forming the bottom couple of green candles, retracement, green candle, retracement, again looking forward to an upward move. Yes, it is trying to retrace a little after good sharp drop for last couple of days, and now beyond 1920 we can see it hitting 1925-30 levels. That is my expectation. 1930 and 1936 levels are going to be an extremely important resistance level. Ultimately 1940 is definitely one of that, but yes, this zone is going to remain important. Beyond 1920 there could be further more rise till towards 1925-30 levels. Now if you look at, certainly below 1910 we are again going to remain short for 1905 and 1900 levels. Stochastic is almost has retraced a little now, trying to enter into overbought levels. The MACD, which was trading at the bottom, has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. And see, the rise here and the rise here are different. This time it appears that it is trying to or willing to retrace a little bit stronger. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. On the 2-hour chart, see, the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. Now the price has come till towards the moving average, 20 period moving average. This is an exponential moving average sitting at 1920 levels. So till 1920 it can try to retrace above 1925 and 30 levels. This is going to be a very good resistance zone, and hence above 1920 you can buy, but then one has to remain cautious till 1930-40 levels. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. It is trying to retrace a little on the upside again. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, and on the 3-hour, similar is the observation. Right now it is trying to trade within this, and you can expect 19 see, this is where I am looking forward to 1925-30 levels. Possibly we may see those levels again, and a sell entry is only below 1910. One has to remember that fact. The stochastic back to overbought levels. See, MACD crossing over after sharp bearish move. Now it is trying to cross over and enter into a buy zone. Let's see if it continues here for a little while. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here, and on the 4-hour, look at the 4-hour charts, flat bottom. See, 3 candles with wick out there, and now it is trying to gain a little more. 1920 levels is still giving it a resistance, passing by which we can expect 25 to 30 levels. I will be looking forward to this zone if it continues to stay above 1920 levels. Stochastic coming out of the oversold levels. MACD willing to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI has come out of the oversold levels here again, and on the daily chart, lower lows are done, trying to recover lower highs, which means it can give an attempt. Also remember one thing which we had discussed, that the candles are trading outside Bollinger Bands. It was also trading outside Bollinger Bands. In fact, it has opened outside Bollinger Bands, trying to get a pull on the upside. It can try to retrace till here, this zone 1930 levels, and from there a pullback can be expected. Might close at around or within this zone between 1920 and 30 itself. Stochastic here is at bottom. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this, those who want to enjoy this little swing here in between the zone, you can buy here at 19, 20, 22 levels. Beyond that, 19, 25 and 30 are the two targets which are going to remain a very strong resistance zone. Any move beyond 1936 is what I will look forward to, because if it breaks this zone, it will try to pull it further upward, and then we may see it breaking, in fact, 1940 levels. We have to remain cautious till 1930. You should not be treating this as a sign of reversal or a bullishness. It can try to retrace at best. On the downside, you can sell here at 1914, but then 1910 is what I will look forward for gold to break. If it stays below 1910, certainly we are going to look at 1905 and 1900 levels. Remember, it can, if it tries to drop till towards 1900, we may see a pullback again. Remember, 1905, 1900 is a very strong support levels. It can try to pull back if it stays at those levels, and hence if you're taking a sell entry also, one has to remain cautious. If you're taking a buy entry also, one have to remain cautious, as this could be a little swing day, or possibly if it is chances of a retracement on the upside is little more, as it has already shown this throughout this day. However, on the upside, the range is limited till towards 1930 levels. One has to be watchful 1930 levels. Beyond that, only little more bullishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our Signals channel. Reach out to me again on the same IDs for more details. On the hourly charts for silver, after forming a bottom, one green candle, consolidation, again willing to break out. If it stays above 2240 levels, right now it is very much confined within 2240 levels. Just the sell price has to be about 2240, because see, median levels are still getting the resistance here. Beyond that, I will look forward for silver to achieve 2240, 2250 and 60. 2260 is the next resistance level. Only beyond 2260 we can expect further bullishness to prevail. Else we can again see it dropping, but since this is the ending of the week, possibly it is going to resume it on only next week. Right now, willing to retrace, staying above 2240, you can initiate a buy entry. Stock I stick flat. MACD crossed over, trading with little divergence, looking upwards. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone, trying to look upwards here. On the 2-hour, similar is the observation, nothing different. See, moving average is trading with divergence. Prices diverge from the moving averages. Now looking forward to converge. Resistance seen at 2240. Beyond that, little more bullishness still towards 2260 and $23 levels cannot be denied. Stock I stick has retraced and looking upwards. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence after staying flat here. Now it is trying to take a direction. Possibly it can try to pull the prices little up. That is my expectation. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold levels. And on the 3-hour, similar is the observation. Also same, the moving averages trading with extreme divergence. Possibly we can see a retracement till towards this zone. Stock I stick looking upwards. MACD has again crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. And this crossover is happening at a slightly lower levels, and hence it can try to pull back the prices little up. RSI oversold, and it is also coming out of the oversold levels now. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour charts, you can see one, just create the channel here. Just create the channel here. You will find that silver is willing to retrace. How far it can retrace, the more time it takes, the lower these levels are going to be. 2280, $23 levels. So now it is trying to retrace, may take a little time, but yes, there is a possible retracement which we might expect. If not today, possibly next week, we may see it hitting 2260 or $23 levels. It is trying to create this bearish channel. Bottom is done, staying here. Possible retracement till towards 23 can be expected in the forthcoming sessions. Stock I stick has come out of the oversold levels. MACD willing to cross over for a buy. It was trading oversold. Now it is trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is also trading oversold. It is also trying to come out of the oversold levels here. Coming to the daily chart, here also one important observation is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Yes, the prices open below Bollinger Bands, and that is what we discussed in the Asia session also, that it can try to pull the prices little up and stay within the Bollinger Bands or close within the Bollinger Bands. Now it is trying to retrace. There is a possibility that we may see 2250-60 levels. In fact, it can completely erase the losses from yesterday, and then as we discussed on the 4-hour charts, that there is a possible retracement on the upside till towards 23. From there, we'll see how it behaves. Right now, also, if you look at the daily chart, see it is trading in the increasingly bearish channel. Also, if you look at, this is what we had seen on the 4 daily charts, and same pattern can replicate on the 4-hour charts as well. Hence, right now it is willing to retrace, staying above 2240. Certainly, you can remain long, and we can expect 2260 levels, 2250 or 60 levels. Remember, in the morning update, in the Asia session update, 2225 which was the buying level, is now going to the selling level for now. So if you see it trading below 2225, but then rather I will say be cautious with the shorts out there. Even if it tries to drop, we may see a recovery later on, and hence, because below 2225, or rather I will say, if you want to take a sell entry and you have a good conviction, you can sell at 2220, wait for 2210 and $22. Remember, $22 is a very, very good support. Only if it stays below 22, you can expect further bearishness. Daily stochastic is oversold. MACD is also bearish. RSI is also at bottom. Hence, buy at 2240, sell at 2220 levels. But in fact, if you are selling at 2220, be alert. It can recover. It can bounce back strongly till it stays above 22. There is a chance of possible pullback. Hence, take your trades accordingly. On the upside beyond 2260 levels, further bullishness can be expected, and hence till 2260 only you have to put the trailing stop loss. You have to strictly trade with the stop loss at cost, as this has still got the tendency to pull back on the downside. Anything is possible, and hence always trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship badge and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.